Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I am Chef André Davy, and right here I have some sweet basil already dried and also washed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to prepare sweet basil tea, and I'll be sharing some of its benefit. So first, what you wanna do, you wanna go ahead and put your pot on the stove, and then to that you wanna go ahead and add some water. Amazing. And I'm gonna bring this to a boil, okay? So this sweet basil tea will help ease inflammation and joint pain. Just imagine being able to tackle stress, anxiety, and inflammation with a relaxing cup of tea made with sweet basil. Guys, this is a perfect cup of tea to enjoy in the night before going to bed. So after boiling for 5 minutes, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and strain and sweeten with organic honey. And this tea, you want to drink it at night, okay guys, just before you go to bed. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.